Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you will be fine. Today we are going to study about forms of verbs in detail. But first of all, I want to remind you that what is a verb? A verb is an action word. For example, reading, writing, sit, stand, walk, go, come, etc. There are three forms of verbs: first, second, and third. The first form of verb is called base form, the second form of verb is called simple past, and the third form of verb is called past participle. Now there are basically two types of verbs: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now firstly we will go through regular verbs, and side by side we will go through all the three forms of verbs, that is first, second and third, or base form, simple past and past participle. The first recognition of regular verbs is this, that the second and the third form of regular verbs can be formed by adding ed. You can see, like open, then we have added ed to it and it has become open, and same is the case with the third form of verb. And the second recognition of regular verbs is this, that the second and the third form of regular verbs are always same. You can notice now: watch, watched, watched, look, looked, looked, listen, listened, listened, play, played, played, work, worked, worked, smile, smiled, smiled. So ed has been added to make the second and third form of verb, and second recognition is also fulfilled here, that the second and third form of verbs are same. The second type of verbs is irregular verbs. Now there are three types of irregular verbs: first, second and third. In the first type, all the three forms of verbs are different, and in the second type of irregular verbs, the second and third form of irregular verbs are same but are not formed by adding ed. There is no rule to follow ed. Then in the third type of irregular verbs, all the three forms of verbs are same. Now we will go through in detail all these types of irregular verbs. First type, all the three forms are different. See: swim, swam, swam, go, went, gone, begin, began, begun, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, bite, bit, bitten, eat, ate, eaten, break, broke, broken, do, did, done, write, wrote, written, see, saw, seen. So you have noticed that all these three forms are different. In the second type, the second and third form of irregular verbs are same but are not formed by adding ed. Now you can see: bent, 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 bind, bound, bound, sit, sat, sat, find, found, found, catch, caught, caught, dig, dug, dug, feed, fed, fed, win, won, won. So ed is not added in second and third form of verb. Third type, all the three forms of verbs are same. See: hit, 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 cut, 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 hurt, 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 put, 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 read, 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 set, 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 shut, shut, shut. So all the three forms of verbs are same. There are some most common irregular forms of verbs that we use in our daily lives, like be, was, were. For example, I was studying Hamlet at night. But we were playing with the dolls in the morning. Have, I have a new car. Had, she had seen a new drama. Say, she always say to her mama to bring her new toys. Said, my teacher said, don't make noise. Do, can you do it by yourself? Did, she did her work. Done, I have done my work. Know, I know you. Knew, she knew me. Known, they are known to us. Get, I get money from my mama. Got, she got 100 rupees. See, I can see with my eyes. Saw, I saw a lion in the jungle. Seen, I have seen it twice. Think, can you think it can happen? Thought, she thought of a plan. Go, we go to school every day. Went, she went to market yesterday. Gone, the guests have gone back. Take, I take exercise daily. Took, She took her bag and went away. Taken. They have taken rest. So students, I hope that you have understood today's lecture. Thank you.